Hi, Peter Bernstein here from the Fitness and Sports Technology Show, part of the Wearable Tech Show here in beautiful New York City at the Javits Center. And we are here talking wearable tech today with Christopher Cox, who's the president of Pivothead. So I have one question to open with, which is the name of your company is very descriptive, and I'm going to ask you to do a little show and tell because I loved the style on your products. So tell us a little bit about the company and where you're going.
My name is Chris Cox, and I'm the founder of Pivothead, and we've been on the market about 2 years already with I think the world's first 1080p video recording eyewear. Later this fall, we're going to be launching our new product line, more of a smart glass with interactive and cloud functionality. In terms of the name, yeah, I think that came from, well, when you aim your camera, you pivot your head to do so.
So do you have your glasses on you?
I can, yes.
Yeah.
I can have somebody walk.
We're gonna take a short technology break here while we bring in our show and tell.
Okay,
this is one of those rare occasions where seeing is believing.
Okay.
So I don't want people to take my word that these are cool.
All right. So, well, this is one of the versions we have on the market today. This is called the Kudu. It's very easy to operate. Power on, blue standby power. We put these on, one click, and now I'm recording you in 1080p. So it's as simple as that. Our next generation glasses are going to have Bluetooth swipe control, live broadcast capability, two-way bidirectional communication capabilities, native apps. This is one of the styles we're working on, and this is just a prototype, but we've improved the design, the contour, the shape, the size, pretty much everything about it. And this is what these look like. So pretty much
very
getting
very
closer
cool
to a normal pair of glasses. Yes. Thanks.
So let's talk a little bit about the application. First of all, why'd you start with just recording, and then where do you think the market's going?
So we first started with recording. We wanted to put the Wi-Fi in. At the time, it was going to delay our launch substantially, so we ended up not going with it, launching without it. And since then, we've really been learning a lot from the market and with our R&D department and design. And so we've been working on our next generation since we launched our first one. So that's been a couple of years of feedback from all of our users using our current product.
So inquiring minds want to know, what'd you learn?
Oh, we learned tons of stuff. We learned that we need to have expandable power. We need to have expandable memory. We need to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and more of a real-time interactive experience. We needed to make them more stylistic and more comfortable, even though the current variation is still relatively comfortable and relatively stylish. I think we made a lot of improvements on that in the next generation. Also, in terms of notifications, ways that you can get more feedback while you're either recording or broadcasting. So we integrated an LED light guide on the front brow that also can be customized with our SDK, so it can give you notifications for various different things, whether flashing or sequences of blinking, and those can be applied to very specific use cases.
So when I put these on, do I see HD quality in the glass itself?
No. So that's actually, I think in smart glass categories, we're going to see two categories emerge, and we are more focused on content creation as opposed to content consumption.
Gotcha.
So, we are not about putting, the cell phone in front of our face to try to get turn-by-turn navigation. What we're about is creating the best possible content we can create and pushing that out over real time, so you can share your POV, you can share your real-time experience with people around the world or in the other room.
So one of these days I'm going to go to Madison Square Garden, which is right down the block, and I'm going to see your view from row R, seat 3, right?
Well, hopefully this Saturday night. We're actually working with HBO Sports for talking with them about, we got the meeting tomorrow, trying to integrate our live dev kit in with the live broadcast. So some of their ideas are about, even putting it on a fighter pre-fight for the stare down and being able to get that view, putting it on the trainers between rounds in terms of, cracking smelling salts, looking in the guy's eyes, seeing if there's fear there, staunching a bloody nose, or even perhaps putting it on the referee. So there's lots of really neat applications.
So you don't want to pivot your head when you got that on, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you're the fighter.
Anyway, thanks for stopping by.
Thank you very much.
Have a great show, and love the product.
Appreciate it. Thanks.